Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a follow-up lesson. The name of the follow-up lesson is Day and Night. Okay. What did I say? Day and night. Day means दिवस and night means रात्रि. दिन एवं रात्रि. Right? Pre-reading is. Socialization. Your teacher asks, what does the day bring for you? The question is, what does the day bring for you? That day brings light for us. Could you understand? And what does the night bring for us? The night brings darkness for us. And also the night brings rest for us. Could you understand? दिन आम पे कौन आने? What does the day bring for us? आम पे दिन कौन आने? Light आलोक. So the day brings light for us. The night brings darkness for us, and also the night brings sleep, sweet sleep for us. Madhura nidra ampe andi. Who brings you better things? Day or night? Who brings better things? Day or night? The day or the night? Who brings? Now let's read a poem. Here is a poem to know all these answers. Could you understand? Shall we move to the next page? Yes, that is page number 2. While reading, your teacher reads the poem aloud. You listen to him or closing your eyes. Okay, text. Said the day to night. Who said whom? Day said to the night. The day said to the night. What? I bring God's light. Day said day. Hello night. Hello night. I bring it day. I bring God's light. I bring God's light. What gifts have you? Who asked whom? Tell me. The day asked to the night. Night said. Who said? Night said. The dew. I bring the dew. Koroka kakoro. Koroka. I bring dew. Who said it? The night said it. I give bright hours. ମୁଁ ଆଲୋକ ସମୟ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଦିଏ ସେଇଟି ଦି ଡେ ସେଇଟି ଆଇ ଗିଭ୍ ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ଆୱାର୍ସ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର୍ସ ଦ ଡେ ସେଇଟି ଆଇ ଗିଭ୍ ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ଆୱାର୍ସ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର୍ସ ସେଇଟି ନାଇଟ୍ ମୋର୍ ବ୍ଲେସ୍ଡ ଆଇ ବ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ ସୁଇଟ୍ ରେଷ୍ଟ ଦ ନାଇଟ୍ ସେଇଟି but I bring what? Sweet rest. Madhura Vishrama. I bring. Who said? Who said? The night said. Could understand? This is a day, this is a night. Could understand? Next one is here. What is the poem about? The poem is about day and night. The poem is about the gift day and night brings to us. Could you understand or not? Next one is who asks questions in the poem? Day asks questions in the poem. Day asks questions in the poem. Question number 3. Who answers them? The night answers them. The night answers them. Again, what is the poem about? The poem is about the gift of day and the gift of night. The poem is about the gift of the gifts of the day and the night. The Night, night. Could understand? The poem is about the gifts of the day and the night. Who asks questions in the poem? The day. The day asks questions in the poem. Who answers them? The night answers them. Night, night. Who brings God's light? The day. The day brings God's light. Who brings dew? The night. Night, night brings dew. Which one is more important, flower or rest? Tell me. Rest is more important than flower. Rest, rest, is more important than flower. Who brings you better things, day or night? Day brings as better things. Day brings the day. Who thinks she or he brings better things, day or night? Night thinks she brings better things. Who, according to you, is a male, day or night? Male means Purusha. Day, according to me, is a male. Day is male, Purusha. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. Let's see what is there for us in store to read. Okay. Yes. Spelling. Chain drill. Not necessary. Just day. I bring God's light. What gifts have you? Night. I bring dew. Day. I give bright hours and flowers. What about you? Night. I bring sweet rest. Next, writing, answer the following questions. Right? Who asks questions in this poem? Day asks questions in the poem. Okay. Next one is yes. Question number 2. That is, who brings God's light? Day brings God's light. Who brings rest? What is it like? Night brings rest. It is sweet. Okay. Next one is, which one is more important, flower or rest? Rest is more important than flower. Next, which word is used more in the poem, day or night? Does the poet give it more importance, अधिक प्राधान्य देइछन्ति कि by using the word more often? Often means बहुबार. The word night is used more in the poem. Yes, the poet gives it more importance, using it more often. Who in the poem thinks himself or herself to be superior? Night in the poem thinks herself superior to day. Superior means utkrishta. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Yes, word note. Here are word. Blessed. What did I say? Blessed. Blessed or blessed, that is adjective. Someone blessed by God. Could understand? अधिक विभव बा शक्ति पाइथिया व्यक्ति. और धन्य. Born, B-U-N, born, it's a noun, it's squirrel. Gundichi Musa. You know, a squirrel, a born is a little creature, a little animal. A born is a little creature. Next, a born can crack what? Not. A born can crack a knot. Crack. Crack means verb. Bhangiva. So, break bhangiva. Crack means a born can crack a knot. N-U-T knot. Dew. It's a noun. କରକା ସକାଳୁ ସକାଳୁ କାକର ପଡ଼ିନଥାଉଛି ଘାସ ଉପରେ dew drops, they are called dew drops. So some drops of water, ଜଳବିନ୍ଦୁ seen on grass, ଘାସ ଉପରେ ଦେଖାଯାଏ dew. In winter dew falls, in winter dew falls. ଶୀତ ଋତୁରେ କରକା ପଡ଼େ. Disgrace, shame, below the dignity, insult, ଲଜ୍ଜା ବା ନ୍ୟୁନ ମନେ କରିବା. It is not disgrace to be born a little thing. ଛୋଟ ହେଇକିରି ଜନ୍ମ ହେବାଟା ଲଜ୍ଜା ନୁହଁ, ନ୍ୟୁନ ନୁହଁ. Could understand? So, little prig. Who called whom little prig? The mountain called the squirrel little prig. Occupy, this is verb. To hold, my place. ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଅଛି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ସ୍ଥାନ ନେବା, ଅଧିକାର କରିବା, ସ୍ଥାନ ଅଧିକାର କରିବା. ଟୁଡେ ବଳରାମ ଅକୁପାଇଡ୍ ମାଇ ସିଟ୍, ମୋ ସିଟ୍ଟାକୁ ସେ ଅଧିକାର କରିନେଲା ଆଜି. କ୍ୱାରେଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଝଗଡ଼ା କଳି. So quarrel, angry argument. Quarrel means angry arguments. So we never quarrel. We don't have a quarrel. We never have a quarrel. ଆମର କେବେଲେ ଝଗଡ଼ା ହୁଏ ନାହିଁ, because we are good students, right? Spare, noun. Here the world, ସାମବିକ ଭୂଖଣ୍ଡ spare. Could understand? Could understand? The world is like a sphere. The other name of the world is called sphere. Spry, adjective, full of life and energy. The spry means the squirrel is always, the squirrel is a tiny creature but always spry. Could understand? And that is the end of the lesson. We shall discuss the next lesson in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.